So hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna tell a story about a boy who was very lazy in the beginning but he was quite smart. So I will tell you how he become hardworking boy. His father was a farmer and used to farming in the field. So his job was chasing the birds that was coming in the field. So he daily go to his field and doing his job, but he do not do his job like others, that other people was doing hard working to chasing the birds, but he use his brain, because he don't want to do hard work. So he used the sticks and ropes to chase the bird, means to fly the birds from the field. And it was his great, what we call great mistake, or we can say that his anything, that he don't want to do hard work and else. So once his father thought that if I get sick, so how my son will do and how the crop will grow. So one day his father got sick and his son was not able to do hard work in the field. He did not give the water to the field, so his crop died. The next day, king announced a game in which if any person win that game, so he will become the minister of the king. So the boy also wanted to participate in this game. The rules was very easy of this game. It was only to win the two challenges. First challenge was to cross the river, and another challenge was rolling a wooden cube to 1 kilometer. So king called all the audience, or we can say all the people of village, to his where the game was holding. So no, it's not game. We can say where it is the competition. So where the competition was holding, so king called the all people to there, and race start to begins. Many people participated, or in race the many people were 8 young age who participated in this game to become the minister. And people jumped into the river and began to swim, but the boy that I told you that he was very lazy, he began to think that he was little bit big by his body, so he began to thought, how would I cross the river? So he think an idea that this is to only the cross the river, this challenge is only to cross the river, not to swim. So he pick a wood from his surrounding and make that wood able to float in the river. So he stand on the wood and began to ride it. After few hours later, he finally reached the another end of that river. Finally, in this race, 3 people get selected, and in another game, the person who will select, so he will become the minister. So second race was of rolling a wooden cube to 1 kilometer, and there was given many tools. So the other two contestants take rope and tie that rope to the wood and began to pull that cube. But the boy, he began to think, and he got an idea that if he make that wood at shape of circle or at a shape of ball, so it will be very easy to slide that ball to the end of to 1 kilometer. So he did his job and finally make that wood in the shape of ball, and finally he rolled that ball and he win the race. So king make him his prime minister. No, not prime minister. He make him he make his minister. That boy. So by this story we learned that you are lazy and you have to find any reason to do hard work. If you don't have reason, that's why you are lazy. If you will have reason, so you will do hard work. Maybe it be your parents hope, or any it could be any other thing. So by this video you also learn little bit English, and I also improving my English. That's why someone, not my teacher, that was my coaching teacher, she told me that by practicing you will improve your English. And so I tried to tried to speak or try to deliver a story in English. Maybe it helped you, and that's all. So thank you for watching this video.